we've made it up here to 10,960. And I'm doing all the belly breathing I can do to keep my oxygen.
694, 95.
So basically 10,000 feet, 700,
Yeah,
right?
10.7.
10.7. But it's a beautiful, beautiful path. If I had not gotten in the water, we can start walking back. If I had not gotten in the water, at first I fell in the water because I had my flip-flops on and it was some slimy rocks. So I fell down in the water. But that was cool because it kind of gave me a second breath or something. So it's been fun. This is my kind of heaven. I mean, it's so beautiful, so incredibly nice. And now most of our walk is downhill, so that's pretty good. We're gonna cook up some steaks tonight. There's a hockey game on, and it's a big deal. Who's gonna win tonight, Stephen? Tampa Bay. All right, spin you around. Isn't that beautiful? Down the side. Just be hard. You can. I mean, look, Wood Bottom Mount right here. The middle is so much higher than the edge where it drains. All right, we'll see you guys later.